Now let's look at the exercises, right? So when we look at the exercises, we have to spot the errors. We have to find out the errors. It's an error spotting exercise which has come up again, right? So the 4 options are given. Out of 4, 1 will have the error, the other 3 will be error free. So like the 2 will be error free, 1 will be having the error. If at all the error will be there. If there is no error, you have to select D over here. See, the 2 ministers shouted at one another in the public. So now we know that there are how many ministers? There are 2 ministers. When we have 2, we use each other. With 2, we use each other. Right? When we have more than 2, we will use one another. This we have learnt. Right? So we don't need one another over here. We want to see each other. Right? So error is with the B. B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next one. Yeah, so the second question is, in any respects, both the sisters are very similar characters. So both is used over here. Both means 2, right? So when the 2 is there, we use the comparative degree. We don't use the superlative degree for the 2. We use comparative. Now the eldest is the superlative. We don't use superlative when we do use 2 people, right? Superlative is used for more than 2. So B is the error over here. Get rid of A, C and D. Next one. According to studies, not more than 5% of education loans taken by students are overdue. Now, we talk about the according to the cities is fine, perfectly fine, right? So it's fine, not more than 5% of education loan. Education is a noun. Loans is also a noun. We don't have the education loans. We have educational loans. We need the adjective forms over here. The correct word will be educational loans. So this education is incorrect over here. That is why B is the right answer. Get rid of C and D. Next one. It is more better if one of the parents stays at home to look after the children. Now, more and better. More is also the comparative degree. Better is also the comparative degrees. We cannot have 2 comparative degrees. Either more or better you have to use, right? So that is why A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D. I asked the shopkeeper if I could change the faulty mobile with another mobile. Now, another mobile is what? If you look at, I asked the shopkeeper if I could change the faulty mobile. These 2 are perfectly fine. With another mobile, another is with someone else, right? We cannot use another. Instead of another, we should use with the other mobile. Got it? So C is the right answer. Get rid of D also. Next one. The Chinese stock market is one of the worst performing stock markets in the city in the recent times, and that has impacted the global economy. Now, the Chinese stock market is one of the worst. Worst is the positive form of the thing. We are talking about the superlative degree we need, right? So we are talking about lot of stock markets. So we don't use the worst, right? We are not describing it. We are doing the comparison, and that too we need the superlative degree. So we need the worst over here. We need superlative degree. The reason over here is comparison is happening. There is a comparison of more than 2. So that is why we have to use the worst. We cannot use worst. We have to use worst. A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D. Next one. A panchayat is similarly to government in many respects, but it cannot impose taxes on citizens. Now here we are talking of similarity. We don't have the similarly. We don't need similarly over here. We need the similar to. The correct word will be similar to. We don't use similarly to. Similarly is adverb, right? We need the adjective form over here. Over here adverb, this is adverb, which is why it is wrong. A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D. Next one. The rate of heartbeat in human being is comparatively lower when he is sleeping. Now, comparatively lower. You cannot have the double comparisons over here, right? You are using comparatively also and lower also. And the word when is there, which is talking about the time. You can just say the rate of heartbeat in human being is lower when he is sleeping. We don't need comparatively over here, right? So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next one. With a fresh coat of paint, the school can look much nice. Now here, nice is the adjective over here, right? We don't need much nice over here. With the fresh coat of the paint, the school can look better. We don't need the adjective over here. We need a adverb. So this adjective is wrong. We need the adverb better over here. So C is the right answer. Get rid of A, B and D. I answered the questions as best as I could and tried to explain everything to them. Now, tried to explain. Tried to explain is the verb, right? And then answered the question is also the verb. Now, anything which tells something more about the verb is the adverb over here. Now, best is the adjective. We don't need the adjective over here, which is why it is wrong. We need as well as I can. So you answered well. Well is the adverb. We need a adverb over here. We don't need a adjective. So A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D. Next one. Bharatpur is transforming into India's most fastest growing bird sanctuary, attracting thousands of migratory birds. Now, most and fastest, both are used in the superlative degrees. You have two superlatives. That is called redundancy. You have to just say Bharatpur is transforming into India's fastest growing bird sanctuary. We don't need most over here. So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next question. Despite taking a lot of interest in studies, there has been any substantial improvement in his knowledge. Now we are talking about despite. Despite means we need a negative thing over here. So that means the intention of the sentence is to tell that he has taken a lot of interest in studies. But still the improvement is not there. But here that not adverb not is missing over here. Not is a adverb which is missing. So that's the error. B is the error. Is having the error. So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next one. The recent protests against rape and sexual harassment have been the most strongest campaigns for the social justice in the history of mankind. Now, if you look at B, most is superlative, strongest is also superlatives. We cannot have two superlatives together, right? So you have to write have been the strongest campaigns. We don't need most over here. So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next, we are in the process of finalized a new site for the factory and we plan to shift our current factory there by the end of the year. Now we don't need of finalized over here. We don't need this over here. We need the finalizing. The correct word is finalizing. We need a noun format. This is the verb. This is noun. We need the object of preposition finalizing. Got it? We are in the process of finalizing. We won't say the finalized. Finalized is the verb. Get rid of B, C and D. A is the right answer. In joint family business, it is felt that joint decisions are more better than any one person's decision. Now here double adjectives are used. That is the superlatives or the comparative. More and better, both are comparative degrees, right? So we just say better. We don't need more over here. So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next one. The whole chapter of the book is full of printing errors which shows the proofreader's carelessness. Now the way they have mentioned whole the chapter, the phrasing is the way they have put these words is wrong, right? We don't say whole the chapter. We have to say the whole chapter That is, the phrasing is wrong, right? So A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D. My younger brother is eclipsed by his wife, who is clever and amusing than he is. Now, when two adjectives are used for the same noun, both of them should be in the same degree. So here you have used who is cleverer. Cleverer is the comparative degree and amusing is the positive. We cannot have one comparative and one positive. So you have to write the comparative degree more amusing over here. So C is the right answer. Get rid of A, B and D. One of the billions of stars in the galaxies, how much are suitable for life? Sorry, of the billions of stars in the galaxy, how much are suitable for life? So now stars is countable, right? So we have discussed about much and many. Much we put before the uncountable. Many we put before the countable nouns. So now stars is the countable, right? Singular plural we have. So stars is a countable noun, right? So with that star countable we cannot use much. So this has to be how many are suitable for life. Got it? So the right answer is B. Get rid of A, C and D. Remember the rules. That's the only way. He began to tremble when he found a sharp long knife in his enemy's hand. So when we talk about sharp long knife, right? So the order is wrong, right? Remember that ordering? We have to say he found a long, sharp knife. That's the correct order. So B is the right answer. Get rid of A, C and D. Next, unless the new resolution is completely reviewed, it will cause a great deal of trouble for new employees. So A is perfectly fine, B is also fine, C is also fine. So D, no error. Next one. We saw an anxious pale girl who told us that she was suffering from fever. Anxious pale girl. Anxious pale girl, the order in which the adjectives are placed is not right. We have discussed about the orders in which they put. We know that first we put the, what is the order? First we put the quantity, right? Then we put the quality. Number 2 is quality. I'm revising the rule, right? Then the third one we put is size. Then we put age. That is number 4. Number 5 we put the shape. Number 6 we put the color. Number 7 we put the proper adjective, that is the nationality, right? Or origin, or we can also have the material. And in the end, last we put the purpose. Now you see, anxious is what? Do we put the anxious pale girl first? So the color will come, right? Then the purpose will come. So it should be pale, anxious girl. So we should put, we saw a pale anxious girl. What is the purpose? Anxious, right? So A is the right answer. Get rid of B, C and D.